Alright guys, check this out right now. You can start making a lot of money online with CPA marketing using a very cool content locking trick. And I'm actually going to walk you through how you can easily perform this trick, right from going to creating a content locker, getting the content to actually lock in the content locker, also creating a very cool landing page with a platform like Google Sites, and also going to promoting the landing page for absolutely free to earn some cool cash online. So stick on with me as we dive right into this particular strategy. And if you're new onto my channel guys, OJ Marketing, I create videos on cool and easy ways to make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, the use of AI tools, and some amazing websites. If you like such kind of content, you can scroll through the channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right now. You could also hit the like button to the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and your notification bell is always turned on all so that you do always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. With that being said, let's dive right into the video of today. So the first thing which you want to get done is to register for a CPA marketing platform, and for today's video we're going to be utilizing this platform called CPA Grip. Now you could easily come onto this section, click on register. Once you do click on register, it's going to bring you right here to this particular section where you could easily go on to providing your basic details on all the fields with the red asterisk signs, and that indicates the required field you must fill out before an account can be created on a platform like CPA Grip. Once you do that, agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes right here and go on to clicking on register now to create your account. Once your account has been created, log into your account. So now once you're logged into your account, you want to come onto this content locker section by heading onto this section that says monetization tools. Click on that. You want to select the content locker option and be brought to this page. Now if you don't have a content locker active, you can just simply create one by clicking on create new content locker. You could read through these terms of service. You can actually go on to agree to the terms of service. After that, click on continue, and you can just simply name your content locker. So I'm just going to go on to giving this content locker a name such as maybe let me say T locker, and you can just simply edit more details about the locker right now. Maybe I can actually go on to reducing the offers that will be shown or increasing that right there. But once I'm done, you just need to click on save, and your content locker will be created right now. So once the content locker has been created, you can see that right here as a T locker. Click on get code and you'll be brought to a page as you can see right now. So in this section you can actually do see the code right here, but you just need to enable JavaScript protection and also the ad block protection. Now you can actually do see the code properly. Now once this is actually done, you want to leave this page open because we're going to get back to this. Now you easily want to just simply head onto the landing page builder site called Google Sites. Now if you do head on to sites.google.com, you just need to come onto this section, click on blank site. If you click on that, it's going to go on to taking you to a very cool and amazing blank page, which you can just simply start creating our locker or our landing page right now. As you can see, once I'm actually being brought to this page, I just need to go on to type in a very cool content such as this, which says the high ticket method the rich and elite used, and you can just simply increase the font size and actually edit more details about the size or about the font or the text based on your preference. Now I'm just going to stretch this right here to actually look quite better. Now once this has actually been done, I want to change the background image. Hover around this image section. You could upload an image from your device, or I could just simply select one from the internet. So if I do go on to clicking on select, I'm going to click on Google image and I'm just going to type in money. And if I do type in money right here, select that option, it's going to show me images related to money, of which I could just simply select one of the image, click on insert, and that image will be inserted in the background. Once that image has been inserted, either I do double click this section and select this text option, or I just simply select the text box right now. So add a text box and type in a very cool content like this, which says now watch this secret video. Now I need to actually give them a video, but before you do that guys, click on this embed option. You want to click on embed code. Now head back to that particular CPA content locker and copy the code right now. Once you copy the code, head back to your landing page and paste in that code. Once you paste in the code, click on and enter to actually get a space or go to the next line. If you do go to the next line, you want to head on to platforms like YouTube, and you just need to search for make money online. Now you just need to go on to scrolling through and select a very cool video that is actually going to teach them something quite reasonable or something quite knowledgeable. And you can see there are a lot of videos right here on this particular page. Now if I want to just simply select this particular video, I could just simply select the video right now. What I'm going to do after selecting the video is to actually pause the video. So as you can see, I did pause the video right now. You want to come onto this section, click on the share option. If you do click on that share option right now, you will be able to see this embed option. Now click on the embed and you could just simply click on copy to copy this embed code. Now once you copy the code, head back to your landing page, and on this next line which you actually did go onto before, you want to paste in that particular code and just simply go on to clicking on next. Now if you do click on next right now, you'll be able to see that that particular content locker will be placed above the thumbnail of that particular video, which means that people will actually need to complete an offer first before they can gain access to that particular video right now. And if they do that, I do get paid some cool affiliate commission. So all I need to do is to click on insert right now, and that particular stuff will be inserted in this section. Now once that has been inserted, I just need to stretch this to actually fit in quite better. If I do stretch this to this section, I'm just going to go on to centralizing this right here. Once I actually do go on to centralizing this, all I need to do next is to just simply publish the page. Click on publish and select a very cool web domain. So if I do select this domain right now, which is Elite Tricks, you can see that this is available. I can just simply click on publish, and that will actually be published right now on this particular page. Now what is actually left for me is just simply to copy the link to this particular page and go on to promoting that. Now to copy the link, click on this link icon. You'll be able to see the link right now to the page. Copy the link and go on to a very cool platform called Quora.com. So guys, while on this platform called Quora.com, you just need to search for something like make money in this search section, and once you do search for that, you'll be able to see a lot of questions related to make money. And you can easily just simply go on to giving a response to each and every one of these questions. You can just simply click on answer, and once you do that guys, you could easily just simply type something like this, which says the easiest way to make money is the high ticket method the rich and elite use. And once you do that, just simply paste in that particular link. As you can see, I could just simply delete this link right now. As you can see, this is how it looks like, which says the easiest way to make money is the high ticket method the rich and elite used only. Now what this, all you need to do is just simply paste in the link to the video or the link to your landing page, and that has actually been pasted. Then you just need to go on to posting this on this platform. And once you do post this, a lot of people will be able to see your answer right now, and you can focus on as many answers that are available or many questions available on this section, and just simply go on to giving a very cool answer. Now once you do that, you are also promoting your link, and for everybody that do click on that particular link, it's going to be taken to your landing page. They need to complete an offer for them to watch that video, and if they do that, you do make some cool cash. Now what you actually need to do next is to just simply try as much as possible to get that to a lot of audience, and you can use that to make money online. Now if the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel OJ Marketing, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.